In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new spreadsheet using Google Sheets, a powerful tool that lets you manage everything from simple budgets to complex data sets effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sheets by opening your browser and typing in sheets.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you get started quickly. Look towards the top of the page and you'll see a prominent plus blank button. This is your gateway to starting a fresh spreadsheet. All you need to do is click on that button and a brand new spreadsheet will pop up, offering you a blank canvas to organize your data. The beauty of Google Sheets lies in its simplicity and accessibility. The interface is straightforward, presenting you with a familiar grid format filled with cells that wait to house your information. You can immediately begin typing in any cell, whether you're inputting numbers, text, or a combination of both. Keep in mind that these cells are like containers. Once filled, they can be formatted, calculated, or integrated into functions that make your data meaningful. One of the biggest advantages of using Google Sheets is its cloud-based nature, allowing you to access your documents from anywhere with an internet connection. This means your work will be saved automatically, providing peace of mind so you don't have to worry about losing any of your precious data due to unexpected shutdowns or power failures. In addition to these basics, Google Sheets comes equipped with numerous features that cater to more advanced users. You can explore various templates that Google provides for free, from to-do lists to business budgets, to streamline your work processes efficiently. This is particularly helpful if you're new to spreadsheet management and need some guidance on structuring your data effectively. As you become more comfortable with creating and customizing spreadsheets, you might want to delve into some of the more advanced functionalities Google Sheets offers, such as sharing capabilities. You can easily share your spreadsheet with others by clicking the Share button at the top right corner. This allows for collaborative work in real time, which is ideal for team projects, or when receiving instant feedback is crucial. Remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to mastering Google Sheets. Experiment with different tools and functionalities available, and don't hesitate to utilize Google's support resources if you run into any hiccups. So there you have it, a straightforward approach to starting a new project with Google Sheets. Whether you're managing personal finances, school projects, or business data, this tool is here to make your life a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.